Hi, I'm Jeremiah and welcome to my workshop. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how I refurbished this Bridgeport Mill and gave it a little Stark Industries makeover. Check it out.
There's your mill.
I have a mill. Are you a machinist, Claire?
Can I do this one?
I don't know all the technical terms for all the parts that I'm pulling apart, but I think I know how to put it back together, and there's a lot of resources online. I think I'll be okay. I really want to get this ready to paint. So I can't strip off the old paint until I pull off some of the knobs and things that are in the way of kind of getting rid of the old paint. So just a quick recap of everything I've done. I've taken off the table, took off just pretty much anything that can be removed without an engine hoist. It has been pulled off. I've got all of these bags of cleaned parts that just really, it makes me so happy. I'm trying to keep them organized and so that I don't get stuck trying to figure out how it all goes back on together. But things have been polished and cleaned and the paint stripped off. The table has been cleaned, the screws have been cleaned. It's all coated in whey oil or in WD-40 to kind of keep it from rusting. This machine was made in the late 70s and it's really cool to just kind of be a part of this machine's history, to know that what I am doing is connected to the past, and the fact that this machine will go on, it will continue on past me, is really exciting. It's looking great. It's ready to start the process of stripping off the old paint and getting it ready for the new coat. And then after that, it would just be putting it back together. It's time to start stripping the paint off of my Bridgeport. But first, I'm gonna build a booth around it so I don't get dust everywhere. We'll see how that goes. Here we go. After many hours of stripping paint, I'm almost done. And I didn't film any of it, or most of it, because I'd set my GoPro up and then 2 seconds later it'd be covered in dust. So it wasn't very interesting. It was many hours of just a grinder and flap disc and a wire wheel. And I hated it. So don't want to do that again anytime soon. Okay, after way more effort than I was expecting, this thing is ready to paint. I've got a special color scheme that I'm going to be trying, and I'm excited to see how it turns out. Here we go. It's working. So there it is, the finished Bridgeport. I am so excited to have this thing done and in working order. There's not one part of it that's not working and not working really well. There's so many great resources online of how to refurbish a mill, how to take it apart, put it back together, replace parts and things. So that's why I didn't feel too intimidated by the process. There was a lot of resources that I could go to if I got lost, and I did a few times. I learned so much through this whole process. I've only been machining for a little over a year, and to have added this to my list of accomplishments of stripping down a Bridgeport and putting it back together, that's pretty cool. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, and I'll see you next time.